Mel Harris, Garbage Man Piper, coming to you from the backstage of the Garbage Man Piper studio, my garage. I am chooching on my Savinelli 315 KS Sienna. Just love these Prince style shapes. Good looking pipe. I'm enjoying it. In it, I have Briar Blues mic torture chamber. I got this package from Mike. I think it was on Monday. It was one of 4 Yabos I had, and I really didn't show it or say anything really about it. Here's what I got left. I chooched 2 bowls of this back to back on Monday. 3 bowls. I let go. I didn't chooch it on Tuesday. But what Mike did is he sent us out probably about 5 or 6 bowls worth of this. And we're supposed to tell him what we think is in it. I am going to tell you, my first impressions were, who cares? Just get me a pound of it. This is the smoothest smoking tobacco I have ever chooched. I'm almost like, who cares? I'm done. Just tell me what it is. Wow, this stuff is creamy smoke, smooth as silk. The bag note itself is a little deceiving because it has this good, just a nice smell to it. You want to think there's a lot of Kia in it. I'm not a big Oriental fan. And just right up front, I'm going to be all over the place, okay? I don't want to stop smoking it. The retro hell is amazing. It is just, you just want to hug your pipe, go sit in the corner in a chair with a blanket on you and just sip on it. No burn. You couldn't give yourself tongue bite with this if you tried. And trust me, if it can be done, I'd be getting burned. And it's just cool smoke. The room note is amazing. I just want to walk around with my nose in the pipe. That's better than smoking the pipe. Just smelling it's delicious. The smell makes me want to think there's Virginia in here. But the fact that there is no tongue bite, there's a little bit of a sour, lemon sour to it. Almost not like a lemon, the juice, but the rind of the lemon, just the zest of the lemon, where it's a little bitter, but when you first light it up, I thought I got a hint of smokiness, that there was a lot of Kia in it. But as I got into halfway into the bowl, if there's a lot of Kia in it, I don't think there's much of it. And I only say sour because that's what I'm getting. That's the only reason why I think there's Orientals in it. Mm. If there's Virginias, there's very little. No burley at all. Oriental, a lot of Kia. I'm thinking it's got to be an Oriental forward, but this Oriental is like nothing I had ever chewed. If this is Oriental, because when I smoke Orientals, my saliva glands, I get this nasty taste. I got a little feel on my tongue for it, but Mike, you're killing me, Smalls. I don't know. There's got to be, there may be a lot of Kia in it, but I think it has to be such a high grade of tobacco, all of it. If there's Virginia, especially if there's Orientals and a lot of Kia, it has got to be such a high quality or aged a while to be this smooth. I mean, what, for 8 minutes now, I'm just sitting here going gaga goo goo. I've never tasted anything even close to the quality of smoke this is. That tells you a little bit about what I smoke. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I'm tickled to death that I'm getting to smoke it. I will tell you that right now. And when I find out what it is, I'm getting me some. This just, I burn it at both ends, folks, and I just want to smoke my pipe. Rarely do I just smoke my pipe. I'm usually doing packages. I'm going. But I just want to smoke it. Mm. Walking into a bakery. Toasty bread. Mm. I'm a happy guy. Virginia's, Orientals, and a lot of Kia, but I don't sense a lot of Kia, and I don't sense a lot of Virginia other than the smell I'm getting. Almost has that escudo smell. Hmm. Well, I guess you could sit here and watch me smoke it for another 30 minutes. It ain't gonna get any better. Mike, it's quality tobacco, whatever it is, and it is smooth, baby. Thanks for letting me try about 6 bowls of it, 'cause it's been delicious. With that, that's about as technical as it's gonna get from me, Mel Harris, Garbage Man Piper, saying, "Sweet chicken baby." You all be safe out there.